Welcome back on my YouTube channel. We are continuing with our Android Studio series, and this time we are going to connect our app to Firebase. And after connecting to Firebase, we're no longer going to put this link here. This link, no, we'll be using our Firebase. And if you don't have an account for Firebase, we are going to create one. I'm going to show you how to create one for yourself. So what you do, you go to your browser, search for Firebase, this one, then the first link, Firebase, and then it says get started. I'm creating account for Firebase. Yeah, it is done. Create project, no, let's first wait. Now we need to connect our, I'm using Google Chrome. I have finished creating Firebase account. So I go to my app, then and I say build, run tools. I go to tools and say Firebase, select Firebase, and look for real-time. Look for real-time database. This one. Sorry, this one. Click on it, then select get started with real-time database and say connect to Firebase. It has opened a long browser. Then what I do, I copy this link here. I want to open in Google Chrome. Select this link, copy it. You can close this browser. I go to my browser, this one, and I paste this here. I paste the link here. Press enter. Wait for some seconds. You say I agree, I confirm, continue. Then create project. Android series is our app. Then say continue. Google Analytics, blah blah blah. Continue. United States. I accept. Then create project. Creating your project. Wait for some seconds. It doesn't take long. Your new project is ready. Then say continue. Wait for some seconds and say wait for some seconds. Your Firebase has been created. Your Firebase Android app has been created in Firebase. Then say connect. Now our app is connected to Firebase. Let's check and see here. Sorry, it is connected here. Then add real-time database SDK to your app. Click on this and accept changes. Gradle is building. Wait for some time. Wait for some time. Gradle building. Gradle is building. Wait. Importing, blah blah blah. It has finished. Now you can close this from here. You can close that. Then go back to your browser. You can open one tab here. If not, you can say Firebase again. Firebase console. This is our project, Android series. Now let's create our real-time database. You go here on build, expand, real-time database. Then in real-time database is where we are going to write our link instead of writing it in our app. Then you say create database. Wait for some time. Leave this as it is. Next. Start in locked mode. Then enable. Wait for some time. Our database has been created. It's this one, Android series, blah 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 blah. Then you go to rules. We have to change these rules. Instead of false, change this read to true. Change this to true and publish. Only this. Change read to true and publish. Then we go back to our app. This is data. Data. Go back to data here. Leave it like that. We leave it like that. We go back here. Now we can remove this. We can remove this string web link. You can remove it and come here and say this web link, we will put it somewhere else. Then go to your main activity, main activity 2, and say create one text view here. I'll tell you why. Text view, wrap and wrap. Give it ID. Give it an ID, and it's going to be our web link. No, web link text. Web link text. Then set its visibility is going to be make it disappear, gone. It should be gone. Don't care about this. Just say ignore missing constraints. Just ignore. Yeah. Now we go to our main activity, java.java, and we say our text view, we name it web link, web text. Yeah, we name it web text. we initialize it here. We say web text is equal to find r.id.web link text. This web link text, it is this one, this id for this text view. Now this web link text, this one, when you type in your real-time database, in your Firebase console, where is it? When you type something here, it will be written in your app. Understand? Yeah. The text you put here will go direct to, instead of going, it will go direct here on in your app. Then we say we are remaining with one problem here. This one, we have, instead of putting YouTube blah blah www YouTube, we are going to say we are going to use Firebase, and we say private final Firebase database and the Firebase database with the small letter is equal to Firebase database dot get instance, and you also say private final database reference, this one, and say reference is equal to Firebase database, this one dot get reference, and we also say private final database reference child reference is equal to reference dot child. Now inside the bracket we are going to put something. What we put here, it is what we are going to also put here. Okay, let's say this is going to be our web link. We say web, you give it any name. Let's say web. What I put here, it is what I'm going to put here, and I say click here and say web, like this. Capital letter I have put also here, I've put capital letter here. If you say maybe website, you also you also change this to website, like that. Now website is our key website. Then value, it is the link. Instead of writing it in our app, we write it here, and you say and we say maybe HTTPS the link to your website. I'm going to use Google. Let me use youtube.com, and then press enter. Finished this one. Then you can minimize this website, the word website, this one, it is the same as this one here. You miss one letter, it won't be it won't read the web link. Now we come here and we say child reference, this one here, child reference dot add value event listener, and you say new value event listener, put here like this, and we say string, let it be maybe message, string message is equal to data snapshot, no, it is snapshot, this one. Data snapshot is represented by snapshot, but you can also make like this. You can also remove this data snapshot and make it small d, like that. Let me remove this. Let me do it again and you understand it better. It has been like this. You can remove it, you can remove this and say, instead of snapshot, you can remove and say data with small d, data snapshot, like this, and put it here, data snapshot dot get value dot get value this, inside the bracket you put string dot class inside the bracket, then say web text, this one, web text dot set text message, which is this here, and say now bring this here. We remove this and we put it here. Now instead of web link, you put message. Whatever you write here, it will go direct here. This message, it is the message from database, from here. Understand? So yeah, I think we have finished. In order not to get confused, let me put this here. Cut. Let me paste it here, and you understand it better. This web text, it is this one here. Understand? And this web text is here, which is this one, the one we hid, this one. Understand? Okay. Let's learn the app and we see. Let's learn the app and we see. Wait for some time. It is installing. You see? Now, this is the link. Wait, I want to show you something. I want to show you something. Let me show you this. Where is my browser? Browser is here. You see, when I put, maybe if I change this one to google.com, press enter. This one changes in real time. Understand? And if I change this Google to amazon.com, press enter. This will change. You see? There and then it changes. If we put, let me see, but remember this should be HTTPS, not HTTP. Let me try HTTP. You see, you should put S. You should put S. Yeah, that is how it works. So just in case if you publish your app on Play Store, instead of changing links every time by maybe making an update, a new update, you just change the link from here. And when I say that is enough, I think that is enough. And turn it back to, put it back to youtube.com. youtube.com. see our YouTube. Wait, why like this? I don't need ads. Full screen is working. Full screen working. Notation. Let's turn on notation and you see. Notation is also working. Yeah, that's it. Now, next time, what we are going to look at is how to monetize it, how to put ads like this, like this app here. We are going to monetize it. We are going to put ads like this, unlock, then any ad shows. This is a rewarded ad. You have to wait for some seconds, and reward granted, close, continue. Ads like this, banner, and there are other ads like open ads. When you close the app and then open it again, there is this ad which comes. Understand, whenever you close the phone without and you try to open it like this, an ad comes. Yeah, that's it. That's what we are going to look at next time.